Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Benji's Piece of Cake. Today I'm going to show you how to make scones. I hope you will love this recipe. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. So let's get started. So here I have 2 cups flour and 4 teaspoons baking powder. Okay. To this mixture you add 2 tablespoons of sugar and half cup cubed butter. Chop the butter finely into your flour. You can use your fingertips and break your butter up. Just make sure that your mixture is like fine breadcrumbs. Add half teaspoon of salt and mix it. Make a well in the center and pour a cup of milk. Mix. Make a soft dough. My dough is ready now. So what I'm going to do next is dust my countertop with some flour, a little bit, and then drop your dough onto your countertop and just press it until it is 2-inch thick, half-inch thick. Then with a cookie cutter, I always use a cookie cutter for this. Just dip it into flour and then cut it. Have a tray ready. I'm using parchment paper on my tray. So arrange your scones on your tray. So I've arranged all the scones on my tray, and I'm gonna just brush it with some milk. I just drop about half a teaspoon on top and just spread it like this. Bake in a 400 degrees hot oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So here's my scones all done. It took about 20 minutes to bake. Enjoy it with a hot cup of tea.